Okay, so before any of this vlogging and any of this scandal, which you know is coming, starts, everybody check me out on Tuesday, March 18th on Smile Jamaica on TVJ. So you know, say it's that like 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm type of something there. Yeah, I'm gonna be on there talking about my program, talking about any type of upcoming projects, and basically just talking about More Talk and More Talk fam and under them something there. So Smile Jamaica TVJ, first thing in the morning when you get dressed, like you brush your teeth and them something, just turn on the TV and move over it immediately. Alright? Now to the scandal thing. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. It is Carla Moore from MooreTalkJa, and it is 12:44 a.m. on Friday morning. What that means is that Scandal Thursdays just done, because it was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Bembe, and now it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Scandal Bag. Scandal Thursdays just done. It also means that we just get the verdict, the cartel is guilty, which we never actually think that about no time at all, because we never know, so in Jamaica would actually lock up somebody with that much power. They never expect it, but anyway, it has come to pass. Everybody just do any word that start with G and with a and have like a and C in the middle, and you know, anything that might come against that word, let's just keep all of that down on a minimum and let this just pass by, right? Now I might try catch up on the scandal then, because I'm 3 episodes behind as of today, right? So I just go watch them little and some watch them, some I go vlog them, and then I go give me one big vlog. So by the way, now I know say the lighting funny. If I come down so and I could have just imagined that like one of them movie that were like Miss Virgin Mary or something like that, and I just like for me eye. And also my chair is very squeaky. Also this is the look that you get when time I just get about on the bed and start from black phone. But this hairstyle is called the Pina Colada, also known as a pineapple, also known in some very mean circles as this sideshow bob. So really, Olivia? Really, Olivia? Really? You've gone back to Fitz after all is said and done, after the ways that he has treated you like you are a junk, or like the ways he's treated you like you are a stepchild, like the ways he has treated you like you are the cousin that come from country that don't know how to work a microwave, and him is the person that went to the good high school and grew up in a 2-story house with a swimming pool. Olivia, after Fitz do all of that to you, I really you that me see I kiss Fitz, Olivia. Olivia, listen. I feel like we need to speak woman to woman now. I'm cutting Shonda out of this because I recognize this has nothing to do with Shonda. This has to do with your own personal decisions that you are taking about your life. Olivia, I know your situation. I've been you. I've been in a situation where you are the concubine, and every time I come near you, you hear the little music play, and it's like a special song that them come up with for you, and you start melting all of them type of something there. But Olivia, know your worth and act in accordance with it. Text sleep my death. The only way them if it's just a push you away and I draw you back in. Please do not think that once you become the official woman and you move to Vermont, wherever that is, I don't know why you would choose to want to move there with the man. Everybody know that your wardrobe does not work outside of whatever city you're residing in right now. Olivia, it's not going to be any better when you're actually the wifey. The only thing is that you will not be able to hide behind the fact that you're the matey to explain his tomfoolery. Olivia, we put you clearly on Team Jake and you want to be there. Can you stop this? And P.S. I like the way them Felicia Rashad everything out of this pregnancy, because they make up them mind say all them gonna do I let out the front of all of your frat them to make them look like balloon, but them is never ever going to try to change anything about your look. And Shonda, please recognize that I noticed that you've given extra waves, bangs and flowy things to the side of Olivia here because you're trying to distract me. You're not going to distract me and see the fact that she's pregnant. Why you never make Olivia breathe? That would have been a nice plot twist if you make her breathe, and then we couldn't figure out and by the way, Olivia father, what do you mean by she must start grieve? She must start grieve. So you just come tell me say you are gonna kill my man, although it's like half a man because me I share the man, but you just gonna tell me say I gonna kill the man and like everything I go on. So and Olivia, your father tell you say I'm gonna kill the man and you just take that in a year stride. Me not even see you look like you drink additional wine. And what exactly are you drinking now that you're pregnant and can't really drink wine? It's like Shackleberry Finn that then put like a little bit of red something in there. Inquiring minds want to know these type of things. But Olivia said that father said that she must start grief. So what that mean? Like she go dead. And P.S. if a man I give a bun and I get back bun, and I not that call it bun for bun, because right now Mellie is gearing up to give Fitz every type of carbohydrates. We're not even calling them bun. We're not calling them baked goods. We're not calling them pastries. No, summer is coming and everybody's health conscious. Let us put them where they belong. Carbohydrates. Right now, Mellie is gearing up to give Fitz every type of carbohydrates that he has ever had in his life. And I love it. I love it because Fitz, you are a janker and you are undeserving of both of these women. One of them is Satan and the other one is a bloody idiot. And even so, you still don't deserve them. And Olivia, Why is it that you have to take this dramatic talking from your papa? Because when your father talks, everything is enunciated. Start grieving now. Rend your garments. And why? And then Olivia, she come with the, what did you do? I'm not really able for the family. Like, I'm going to need one somebody in the family for have a face that is just neutral. Right? Olivia, mother, where are you? We see you fling with the phone and we don't know anything about where you are. And Queen, me see you look all dejected and something like you come back from the gladiators. You're no longer gladiator, you know. So I'm not even want you look back. Because me last week, me see up just give you the this is Sparta kick and kick you over into the abyss. Literally, you are plummeting down into a hole where people without souls are living. Stop looking, because see all the tea people picnic. Queen, Olivia, would I ever send if you go tea people picnic? You really need to think about the associations that you make in life, because you're following bad company, and everybody knows what happens when you follow bad company. Your mother end up on the news talking about you were a good youth and trying to make excuses for you and trying to explain away why it is that the police have killed you. So Queen, you need to get yourself in hand. Till the brother girl, you know, really going with nothing. Like, honestly, when them throw the question after you, I mean, I understand why it did stump you so much. I feel like Olivia did prepare you better for life, better through the teacher, all of them type of something here. But overall, oh Sally, Bird Big Sally, me don't really know what do you know. Like, my honestly, I'm tired of you. I feel like you spend too much time in the storyline right now. And I feel like I need a break from you. I feel like I've paid attention to you for 2 episodes and it's really making me tired. Like, sometimes Sally, like, watching episodes with Sally coming, like, you know, like when you take tonic and like iron in the tonic and like you get a little boost of energy, but you know, say you're constipated. At the same way I feel about the episode that my Sally feature every day. Like, me get a little boost, come love Ray for Sally, because underneath everything, Sally is a all czar. But then I'm constipated, like I feel like I need to release Sally when it's all said and done, and I feel like her negative energy is staying inside of me and finding up my chakras. But honestly, that episode here belonged to Mellie. Mellie was everything to this episode. Mellie find a new man that episode. Mellie walking on Olivia and Fitz and she never even bother blink an eye on the episodes. And then Mellie pulled the bossest of all boss moves, the wifeliest of all wife moves that any wife has ever pulled. She invited the matey out to lunch where the press would be to stem the rumors that her man was giving her bun. Because at this point, Mellie don't really interested in whether or not Fitz is going to be faithful to her. She's interested in whether or not people are going to think that he's giving bun. No. Mates and wives of the world. There's a distinction that is being made here that I think is very important, and I want everybody to grab hold of this. There's a difference between being invested in your man being faithful to you and being invested in people thinking that your man is faithful to you. One of these is going to result in you having a warm bed. The other one is going to result in you having a stellar reputation. For the women out there who cannot have two, you need to pick your battles and fight them accordingly. Fitz, we are done with you. We would not mind if B613 or formerly B613 kill you. We will simply replace you with David Rosen because he always wears the white hat. And Harrison, I'm going to need you to enunciate on your speech because half of the times you sound like you are chewing Ado bread and I do not know what you're saying. Shonda, I'm preparing myself for the next episode now. Okay? So then, please go easy on me because somebody tell me that in the 3rd episode down, me are going to be sad, me are going to be happy, me are going to be angry, and I'm going to cry at the same time. And I don't like that particular set of emotions because it reminded me of that one time that I went to the beach and then I almost drowned in it. And then, yes. Okay? So, goodbye. Alright, so this is Carla from MooreTalkJa, and so I just watched this channel episode when We Do Not Touch the First Ladies. Now, to be honest, when I did see the name of the something, I thought the First Ladies were going to be Liv and Mellie. If I'm being completely honest, I did think that Liv did I go momentarily get elevated to that. But I could not even start at the beginning. I could start at the end. Olivia Muma, where you up to? How is it that we have been watching Scandal for so long and we cannot figure out exactly what is going on with Harrison? But you come into this thing for about 4 episodes and all of a sudden you didn't root up in a Harrison past, send this man forward into him present and offer destroy the man future. How is it you do that, Olivia Muma? And where exactly are you leaving us? The last time we see your name through your and like prison food, where are you taking us now? No, make us go back to the beginning. Jake, what are you made out of? You are standing up in a hallway listening to your pseudo woman talk to the man that you are jaw grinding, arguing over them relationship when this woman would rather matey for this man than wife for you. What exactly is it that you're made out of that allows you to be into these complicated situations and continue to live free and fair unlike Jamaican elections? And furthermore, you see right now, as of right now, the word turn up Turn Up, Buck, Loud, all of those things will be replaced by Jake Ballard. The man get a suitcase, a grip, a dulcimania, and the man have to record in vice to get in at the grip. And then the man just find out say him have a level of clearance that exceeds the president of the United States. And then the man just realize say the number one security officer where watch the president, as in the one where tell everybody to turn them back when Fitz and Olivia out for go do side a tree, as in the one that is running around and telling Fitz you cannot have sex in X, Y, and Z places because that is where the cameras is. That man is actually working for you and not working for Fitz. Jake, your name is now officially Turn Up Ballard. Jake Turn Up Ballard. If them kill you right now, there's something I gonna say Jake Ballard of X and Y address, otherwise known as Turn Up. Can we discuss how it is that Cyrus nearly killed his husband for about like the 8th time? When I realize that like every season on 2 occasions Cyrus almost killed his husband, like this is literally turning into the death of Stefano, or like one of them people that who just refuse to ever die out of the soap opera them. Me don't really understand what is going on in life, and am I the only one who worries about breath control and these things? And I'm going to tell you where this worry is coming from. I'm watching the thing and I say Queen lie down and watch TV. Now you know say sometimes you lie down and watch TV, you eat Doritos and them type of something that your breath not really 100% fresh, right? You're not envisioning that any romancing is going to happen. And then all of a sudden, Mr. Charlie, I take him to look bath and them and try breaking at the people them something. It's like him literally I try to take a sledgehammer for breaking at the thing. That is how inept he is. And she just like go slide up on him neck, ultra slick and start talk sexy, like right in this area, like right on the bias and face and them something. Am I the only one who is wondering how much semi-digested Doritos she is now? And she look like one of them people that would have want eat things like conches and things like onion bits and them type of something in them face. Like I wonder about these things. I also worry about the amount of emotion that Olivia is expressing and how that is affecting the baby. Because you know them say, like if you're pregnant and then you're sorry for one stray dog, like the picnic might turn out look like dog and them type of something there. Like one lady in a mother community, she did pregnant and then she did take pity for one goat and then like the baby they come out with like half a goat face. So I just want to know all of this stress that Olivia is under while she is pregnant. Is the baby gonna come out looking like Olivia Pope, like versus looking like Kerry Washington? Is the baby gonna come out and when them slap the baby gonna turn around and say, I don't think you should do that, and call Olivia Pope? Like, is that what is going to happen inside of this child's life? Now the next thing we want to understand now, Queen Boss Bess. Queen Boss Breast, because right now she's turning into a woman before our very eyes, because it's Queen that Missy threatened Olivia with gun, and I talked to Olivia with bass in her voice when everybody knows when you address Olivia you're supposed to use treble. And Queen, let me tell you something right now, you know, not because Oki's giving Olivia all of them little coffee here and something and I try to beg back in her favor. If him find out say you pull gun pan Olivia, he's not only going to lick your face, he's going to lick it, use his spit as a shaving cream, and then he's going to remove the skin from your face because you keep on crossing over the line. But no, say you feel big because like you're just gonna be 6'13" and give them something right now, but please be aware. In the same way that the thin red hair girl just want to kidnap her old man to save him, is up create a space for you to work into that something so that he can like somehow reel you back in and end up killing you. This might be my fantasy, but I'm alright with it. Mellie, I understand the suicide attempt because what it going to feel terrible. Let me tell you something, Mellie. You said episode here again. Your episode is again. First of all, because that coral thing that you're wearing, me don't like it. Whether a jumper, like a romper, like a catsuit, like a kaftan, that's something that it win. Like me want it right now, it win. But the second thing is me like, oh, you just bounce pan the man, like you just jump pan the man, like the man I do everything to try to order from you, and you do everything to try to go like you want to order from the man, even though you start the man when you stand up there look and the first lady them. I'm like how Shonda just do it with the cuts with all of the first lady them, just like I look down pan you. Me like I just pounce pan him because honestly, nobody here is team Fitz. Nobody here is team Fitz. From him just tell Olivia say she must shut up, and him have her in a room as concubine lock up, and under the guise of having meetings is dugu in her. We are on team Jake, and we will be on team whoever that other man is, because that is a man like that you deserve, because he will fight for you. So everybody is down with Fitz. Mellie, big up to you. Can't go in the back room or rooks him off, because honestly you're not in the middle of a marriage now anyway. Let me see if there's anything else that I said. Oh, I wanted to make note of the fact that Olivia's father called her out on having affected rhetoric. That's basically the same for all of the cast of Scandal. Like listening to it today, I realized literally all of the characters speak in the exact same way, and it's getting a little frustrating. While Fierce Dial, we favor Wild Hog, why are you back? We laid you to rest, and just like Charlie, who we thought was dead, here you come again. Doyle, I would like you to marry Sally, and I would like you all to move off into some type of peaceful life where you worship Christ and devil at the same time, and nobody has to ever interact with you. And in closing, the one song that was Shonda put at the end, that "They Smile in Your Face" song, You see what the song there tell me? So Jake I go for done Fitz money right now. So Jake I go take everything when him get from inside and him I go take it for double cross Fitz and try to take away Fitz prize possession. But she's not his hen or his hen house. Olivia, let the games begin. Right now, I feel like when I watch 300, I like them just let, like, you know, you used to watch Spartacus, when them let out the man, them and like some big giants, I'm be looking something with like sword like come out time skin, but like shark teeth, come out time iron them something, they just come in with like fur and feather grow type body and like come to kill off the man them. Me feel say at that I got one right now between Jake and Fitz. And when I'm select the best man win, remember that the best man is always gonna be the one that's the most turned up. And right now, Jake Ballard is the new word for turn up and buck. I'm gonna go watch the next episode now. I'll be right back. Shonda, Shonda, you killed David Roth. Shonda, that you really do. Shonda, Shonda. Me no know. Maybe a James you kill. Maybe a James you kill, but honestly, you nearly make Cyrus kill James 50 at time. You would have really carried him so far if you come kill him, Shonda. Me know. Say, a week time I come here, and I have mixed emotions towards David Rose, but you can't just kill him, so Shonda. Look here, Shonda. I am sick of this now. We cannot continue to live like this. My friend Samantha tell me, you know, she said to me, she said, the little roller coaster where you have at the end about Shondaland, woohoo, it is indicative of how you plan to deal with our emotions. Shonda, you cannot just come and send Jake, good turn up Jake, to just kill people like that. Me no want to talk about it no more. Me no want to talk about scandal. Me no want to talk about it. I don't look. I quit scandal, okay? I don't want to talk about it anymore. It's really intense, it's really crazy, and I don't want to be scandal. You send the CIA man forgot almost kill off Bird Beak Sally. You make Bird Beak Sally nearly bust the scoop. Say Cyrus help her clean up the desert husband. And then we don't know where it is when that the what and then what if you actually are mad? Only did see the 15 minutes at the start of the show where Oliver just a laugh for no reason because every single person who is on Fitz campaign is a murderer. Like, but I look on my notes. You see all of the references that Sally was making to bacon in the beginning, it just start make me really hungry. Like, me just want a Burger King #2 cutting off with a Sprite because all she talk about young piggy and Christy Bacon, all of them type of something. That's Sally, let me tell you something. Your evangelism is getting out of hand right now. You need a white turban, a white shirt, a white skirt, a measuring tape round your waist, and #2 pencil because you're ready for turning on a woman right now. You are ready to go into your Pocomania right now because the type of zeal when I see in your eye, I don't see outside of Pocomania ceremony. Sally, you need to pull it together. Me see you make punchline off of it, but Sally, me tell you once and me tell you again, you is never going to be president of the United States. You have too much kuro. Your life coming like people to O'Connor will wear shoes enough and don't take care of them feet. It is full of kuro and dark things in the corner, Sally. So what is it that Olivia does to men? Why it is that Olivia can convince a man to throw his entire election on whim, and Olivia can convince a man to go against the president on a whim, and why is Olivia's father backing Bird Beak Sally? Honestly, Shonda, somewhere in the middle of this episode, but it just zone out because I couldn't keep up. You were doing too many things, even though you not mention Harrison, you not mention Huck, you not mention none of them people there. Me really could not keep up. And Jake. I'm on Team Jake, you know. I just said it. I said I'm on Team Jake and we're gonna be okay and I want it for Olivia. But Jake, me never really see you make the hug face yet. You know the one that when you stare off in the middle distance, like when people do howling and where you just kinda look crazy, but your face kinda straight, like you kinda not have no emotion, but you can tell say all of the dogs that you killed in your youth are playing through your mind right now. And how you did like to watch like the blood burble at the side of their mouth while them are dead and them something there. Jake, So who Olivia go there with now? What if we could bring back the civil rights movement for come there with her because Fitz are losing man and Jake has lost his man and we don't know. Shonda, I don't even have the strength to do a conspiracy theory this one because you kill Smiley. Unless it is that somebody was walking up behind one of them and took the bullet for one of them. What I'm looking at is a situation where somebody that I have known and possibly loved, although really James and Cyrus are the original ride or die. Like when Ja Rule and Charlie Baltimore did a say about every thought is a lady. Them did that talk about James and Cyrus because them people that will almost kill off them one another and like kill people from one another. So it's like when them talk about, I'm that pretty down ass two cars behind your seats and not this and the clown ass cock them over. Yeah, James and Cyrus. Shonda, I need closure next week to this, right? I need for you to wrap this up quickly, and I need us to go back to the plot line with Olivia's mother because honestly, everything that involves Sally causes me too much pain, and you should have just let that Secret Service man kill her because she's throwing everything off. Shonda, please, for the love of Christ, second on some of these things. Goodbye.